Welcome to Tommy Tyres, and thank you for visiting our website. We specialise in tyre sales and repairs for all types of vehicle, domestic and commercial. At Tommy Tyres, no job is too big or too small. We stock a full range of tyres, and we also repair and replace exhausts, brakes, clutches and bearings. We deal with all truck and plant equipment, including contract work, as well as domestic car wheels. We also offer a full wheel balancing and wheel alignment service. As well as tyres, we also carry out mechanical repairs, vehicle servicing and MOT preparation. Our mobile fitting service is also just a phone call away. For further details, call us now on 0151 236 2219 or email us tommytyres@btconnect.com.